Hey guys, in the never-ending quest to get rid of noise in these sprinters, I'm going to be insulating, sound deadening the front wheel wells. Here's what I'm going to be doing. And who knows how much it will or won't work, but I'm, just put a new stereo in and I still got some annoying road noise. So I've thought about this for a while. I pulled out the inner liners of the fenders, as you can see, and I just got done washing them. There's a two-piece. It comes out quite easily. They're just little plastic nuts and a couple screws on the rear one, and the same on the front, but she has a couple of punch plugs. Just be wary of the punch plugs up in here. There's like 4, I think, but they're really easy. You'll see them. Just don't tug them out, because if you are tugging on them too hard, probably means there's still a clip in there. So they came out quite easily. I just scrubbed them up both sides. Now the goal here is to sound deaden the heck out of them, and I'm going to do a little bit of spraying with this stuff I got on Amazon. I'll put a link down below to this stuff, the boom mat. Got to shake that up, and I'm going to spray a little bit underneath there. I'm going to lean obviously heavier towards the cabin and try to sound deaden up some stuff there. Then I'm going to be doing some of this sound deadening mat, this brand I've been using on the car, on the van, the sticky butyl stuff, and I'm going to actually coat the backside of these fender wells with the Celeste, I think how you say it, sound deadening butyl mat. Then I'm going to kind of spray the missing gaps. So that'll be on the inside of the skin. The outside of the skin, I'm actually going to spray them with that boom mat directly. And I do have some, what do you call it, sound deadening closed cell foam coming. I may actually put a little bit of that in there too, because you can see the channel into the cabin and the door space is kind of wide open. I was thinking about putting some of that closed cell into this area. You can see there goes the cabin up in there, if you can see it. That's the headrest you can see in the distance. So a lot of noise can travel through this wheel well. I'll have this new skin that I've created with the wheel wells, with the butyl mat sticky stuff, and then some spray. And this stuff has pretty good ratings, at least online. I haven't tried it yet. I've been using another one, just your basic Rust-Oleum or whatever. This one, undercoating, sound deadening stuff too, but I haven't used that one that much. That was just for my seat installation. But that's what I'm going to do with this thing. As you can see, this just all light metal and wide open drumminess for air. Now, the other thing I noticed, just so you guys know, there's a lot of noise coming from this footwell cavity, this footstep right in the door well. As I'm driving down the highway, my wife's driving, you can hear a real good shushing sound coming out of here. I insulated the heck out of the door for this new system, sound system, but I don't have anything under this. It's a pretty heavy mat, but what I'm going to do is probably take out this footwell thing, or footstep thing, which is a little tricky, and I'm going to try to line the back of that as well. Maybe spray something on that too, because there's just a real good shushing coming out of here when I'm driving down the highway, at 65, 70 miles an hour or whatever. So as much as you can do, the better. Now, I also got some other stuff coming, which I'll show you later. I got some trim pieces that are going to be copies of this to create a double layer. And I think one of the biggest problems is our mirrors. So I'll be addressing that later. So there'll be links down below. You'll see some of my other Sprinter fixes in my links. I hope that helps you guys. Again, I'm going to line these footwell liners, or wheel well liners, and see if that helps. Have no idea how much it will or won't. Talk to you later. Hope that helps, and appreciate any likes and subscribes.